Delhi is one of the world's worst cities as far as the COVID crisis is concerned. The city has now reimposed some fresh COVID curbs amidst an alarming rise in infections. Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal says that the government is planning to send a proposal to the centre to seal markets if there is any kind of big violation of COVID safety norms. The government has also done away with existing approvals for 200 guests at each marriage ceremony. Henceforth, it's only going to be restricted to 50. Kejriwal has said that there are sufficient beds available in private and government hospitals and that the central government has helped by providing additional ICU beds. The capital currently has 40,128 active cases. Delhi's November surge in coronavirus cases is not just the worst that India has seen, but it is also likely the worst spike in cases that any city in the world has seen yet. Delhi's daily COVID numbers on several days are among the 10 worst days experienced by any city globally.
अगर कहीं पे अब दिवाली ख़त्म हो गई है, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि बाज़ारों के अंदर जो इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी वो भीड़ कम हो जाएगी और हमें ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। लेकिन अगर ज़रूरत पड़े और सारी कोशिशों के बावजूद भी अगर किसी बाज़ार में हम देखते हैं कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और मास्क का पालन नहीं किया जा रहा और वो एरिया एक तरह से लोकल कोरोना हॉटस्पॉट बन सकता है, तो उस वहाँ पे बाज़ार को कुछ दिनों के लिए एहतियात के तौर पे बंद करने की इजाज़त दिल्ली सरकार को दी जाए। ऐसा प्रस्ताव अभी केंद्र सरकार को भेजा जा रहा है। इसके लिए भी मैंने एलजी साहब की परमिशन के लिए अभी लिख दिया है। आज निर्णय लिया गया है कि 200 से वापस 50 लोगों को, शादियों में केवल 200 से 50 लोग अलाउड होंगे और ये निर्णय मैंने एलजी साहब की अप्रूवल के लिए अभी सुबह भेजा है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि उनकी जल्दी अप्रूवल आ जाएगी।
Anisha Mathur live with me from one of Delhi's busiest markets, the Gandhinagar market. Anisha, we've been seeing those pictures since this morning. Restrictions not really working out in terms of crowds and the number of people at those markets. It looks like these curbs are going to, be imposed in Delhi very soon.
Well, Shiv, we're in Chandni Chowk right now, and as you can see behind me, the crowd of Chandni Chowk hasn't really reduced by very much. We've been speaking to the shopkeepers around here and they say that yes, shoppers have reduced considerably. They expected that in Diwali and right before Diwali and right post Diwali, because the wedding season is upon us, the shoppers are going to increase. But as you can see around me, even right now, and I'm going to ask Nasir Bhai to pan around, you can see there are a lot of shoppers still around. Masks, most people, while they are wearing masks, they're not wearing masks properly. As you can see around us, masks are often on their chin, off their nose, or just or hanging off one ear for several people. Inside the stores, however, we are seeing that the shopkeepers are trying to maintain distance. Shoppers are not being allowed to crowd inside the shops. They are standing outside. But if you can see, even inside the shops and outside the stores where the people are shopping, distancing is not being very well maintained. And that is something that the government has been consistently talking about, that wearing of masks, maintaining distancing is the most important way to combat corona. And at least at Chandni Chowk, as you can see, are all around us, shoppers are out in droves. Even though the shopkeepers are not happy with the number of people who are outside and who are shopping, according to the shopkeepers, the market is down and they've already faced a lot of impact because of the corona lockdowns, and they're afraid of what will happen if the shops are closed again. But it is very clear that it is the people of the city who need to be more careful. The government has been announcing what to do and what not to do, but it seems that people are not really listening. So there is need for stricter implementation of the norms. Back to you.
Thanks very much for joining me with those details. It's a pretty disturbing situation in Delhi, appears to be getting worse, forcing the government to now contemplate some serious curbs as far as activity in the national capital is concerned. And this is a situation that's not just bad compared to other places in India, it's bad compared to any part of the world. That's how bad Delhi is right now. Let me give you a quick overview of the COVID figures in the country at this time. active cases at this time, 4,53,401. If you look at the total number of people who've recovered, 82,90,370 people have recovered. The number of dead so far in India, 1,30,519. But operative figure, 4,53,401 is the number of active cases at this time. Let's get you the worst hit states at this time. Maharashtra continues to be the worst hit state with 85,363 active cases. 16,18,380 have recovered. The death figure stands at 46,034 at this time. Let's go on to Kerala, where there are 71,046 active cases. Over 4,54,000 have recovered. 1,888 deaths so far in Kerala. And finally in Delhi, 40,000, like I just told you, 40,128 active cases. Over 4,41,000 people have recovered. A very, very healthy recovery rate in the country is the silver lining of these alarming figures. 7,713 people have died so far. This is information that I should tell you has been updated up till 1:30 p.m. Of course, with each passing hour, those numbers continue to get updated.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.